Hello friends, welcome. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. Friends, if you are getting the error VCRuntime140.DLL file not found or is missing, then what you should do to overcome the issue. So this is the thing. You have to go to the Google and you have to search for the VCRuntime140.DLL and download it. So I am using Windows 10, so I will download the 64-bit version of it. So just search in Google and you will be having the list of DLLs from different sites. So VCRuntime140.DLL is here and the list will be here somewhere with different versions, like this architecture 32. I want or I need or I will install 64-bit version, so I will download this one. Once I click download, it will allow me to download and the download will run. Since I have already done it, so it is there available in the download folder. So here is the DLL and it is here in the download folder. So it is in the zip file and you have to unzip it. So it will be here like this, one readme file and one VCRuntime140.DLL. So actually you have to place this DLL in the Windows system directory. For that you have to go to the C drive, browse for Windows and then go to syswow64. You can place it here. So this is the unzipped version of it. So you have to copy this DLL and place it in Windows system 32. So this is the folder where you can place it. So to reach here, go to the local drive C here, Windows system 32 and syswow64. So here I will copy it. So it needs some permission to copy it. It is here. It depends upon the which version of OS you are using. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.